What is the correct value of 18 minus 9 divided by 9 times 3? So here it is very simple. 18 minus 9 is simply 9. 9 divided by 9 is simply 1. And 1 times 3 is 3. And 3 is our answer. But this answer is wrong. Why? This is due to wrong operations. Look into the problem. Here we have three operations: subtraction, division, and multiplication. So here we have to do division or multiplication from left to right. So first of all, in this problem here we will try to divide these two numbers. So 9 divided by 9 is simply 1. So this will become, this is simply 18 minus, this is simply 1 times 3. Here we have two operations: subtraction or multiplication. So next we have to do this multiplication. So this is 18 minus 1 times 3 is simply 3. And finally 18 minus 3 is simply 15. And that is our final correct answer.